Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tara. On today's episode, we are going to be talking about the BoxyCharm. It'll be my BoxyCharm review. I have all the items here before me. I've tested some of them out just briefly. I was going to do a different video today, but this arrived, so I thought, well, what the hell, let's just go for it. So this month's box on the inside, this is kind of new. It's red. I like it. I don't know. It was kind of just eye-popping. Right off the bat, I noticed that, and I liked it. So I think I'm going to start from least to highest, maybe? I don't know. Or maybe less interested to most interested. So, that being said, let's get into it. Okay. So, in this month's box, I actually got a sample, which is why I stay clear of the Ipsy bag, is because I end up with all these samples lying around and it's tedious. I never use them. But we did get a Pretty Vulgar concealer sample. I will actually test this out only because I like Pretty Vulgar's products, so why not try it out, and then if I want to buy the concealer, I can. So that's in there. It's just a sample, so there's no price. Is there a price on this for the full size? And I don't see a price on this for the full size either. Huh. Anyhow, so that came in it. Next, we got these Starry Eyes Indulging Self-Warmer Eye Masks. These retail for, I got my little sheet here. Where are they? All right, it's a set of two, 10 bucks. All right, so one of the cheaper things, I like an eye mask. I'll try these out. Again, I didn't try them out today. I have to go to work, so I could only try out a couple things before I did this video. But these are worth $10. What are the benefits of these? I don't know. It's a warm mask. It doesn't even say what the benefits are. That's cool. Anywho, moving on. Okay, moving on to one thing I was so excited for, not only because it's Dosa colors, but because it's a color that I'll use. Oftentimes I tend to get an eye color that I will not, or a lip color that I won't use myself, but this month I got Fluffy in the Dosa Colors formula. Y'all know, well, y'all probably don't know, I probably said it a couple times on my 3 videos, but I don't care for liquid I don't care for liquid lipsticks for the most part. I'm a gloss girl, but I will use them and then kind of buff them out, and I will put a gloss over them. These are vegan, cruelty-free. I like that. They retail for 18 bucks. So right there, well, between these two products, you're already almost to your 21 bucks that you would spend on this box. So super excited. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Actually, well, I swatched it before I took a shower today, and I do have it on my lips today, but I'll swatch it. It's like kind of a nude pink, less mauve than I normally would go for, so I'm excited. Actually, this is a perfect color on my lips. Love it. So excited for that. So excited for that. They do make great products. They do. All right, moving right along. So let's get into, oh yeah, I got a brush set. I didn't use this brush set. It is a BoxyCharm brush set. I didn't know that they even made products, but I guess maybe they're getting into it. It is a 2-piece brush set. Those retail for $35 for those 2 brushes. Okay. I mean, okay. I don't know what to say because I haven't used them. Oh, next I'm going to talk about this first. So this is the most expensive thing that I got in the box, and it's this Kypris Antioxidant Dew Serum. Let's see, the description says the dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated oxidants, nurturing amino acids, an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. Oh, that's cute. They called it a wardrobe. This retails for $90. I used it just once, just this morning, and what was cool is I put it on. I go lighter on my skincare in the morning because I am so oily, so I used it this morning. I did end up using my primer still, but it almost felt a little tacky, as if it would be a good base for your foundation. It doesn't really have a scent. Let's see. Yeah, not much of a scent. I mean, you can smell something, but it's nothing I can name, but it's not bad. You don't really smell it putting on, which is good for a lot of people. I know a lot of people are sensitive to scents. They get headaches. I don't mind a good scent as long as it's not rose. I don't know why rose just kind of rocks my world. So it says the same thing here, 90 bucks. The packaging is super cute too. I love this, just cobalt blue, which is one of my favorite colors. So keeping that, using that. I'm gonna use it twice a day, test it out. I'm always testing out new skincare products to see what will get rid of my wrinkles and my depression. Okay, last but not least is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. It's an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. And this retails for $35. So I did use this palette today on my eyes. I'm wearing my glasses so I can read. I mean, I just did kind of a daytime look, to be honest. I'm going to work here in a little bit. I work at a nursing home. They love, if I came like full, I could come in full drag and they would just be for it. They'd live for it. I take care of some of the best people. They're so awesome. They're so fun. A lot of them are actually into makeup too, which is cool. All right, I gotta pull up my sweater. I always wear a sweater while it's fall and I hate my arms. Drink break. Don't come for my brows neither. You know what? I had a great brow day one time this week. I don't know. Sometimes it's just like that. Sometimes it's just like that. Shit does not work out. So here's the palette. Comes with a mirror. You guys know how I feel about mirrors. Hi, filming on my phone because I'm broke. I don't care if it comes with a mirror or not. I mean, I guess they're good for in a pinch if I forget my little handheld and I'm traveling. However, I'm not, like, how do you hold this palette and do your, oh, like that, dumb bitch. So you can hold it like that. It is a nice mirror. I am not mad at how I look in this mirror. Okay, I like this mirror. This mirror may change my mind. I may want to use this mirror just because I look better in it. Anyhow, so it has 3 shimmers, 5 mattes, which I like. Usually you get more shimmers into a palette, and I only feel like that's just to get the consumer's eye and attract them to the palette because it's like, oh, glitter, sparkles. I mean, it works for me. But then you have less usable, not usable colors, but let's be real, like a matte, everybody needs mattes. I do believe that this will work for a variety of skin tones. So I will say right off the bat, I did use this and I do kind of want to do a dedicated, I mean, I've never used Kristen Dominique's products. So I kind of want to do a full tutorial using this since I did get it in my BoxyCharm. So I don't want to talk too much, but I will swatch a couple for y'all. Let's see. They don't swatch great. They really don't. But on the eye, it did work pretty good. So this is Mystic Ice. Oh, I guess I'm swatching it better than I did this morning. A little chalky, but for a blue, like, what else can you really expect? Let's do Zero Gravity, which is kind of a cooler dark chocolate brown. They don't swatch good. Swatches don't make or break it for me, I think you guys know, and I'm not great at swatching, but they don't swatch that good. I'm not even gonna external light. I have this on my lid today. I expected like quite a bit out of this shadow. I expected to be bedazzled, bejeweled. I expected my eyes to sparkle off of my head. That did not happen. I will say I feel like this is almost more of a, oops, I dipped into that pink, more of a topper. So I'll go ahead and swatch that. So it doesn't even, I mean, it shows up, but can you even see it? My swatch game is shit right now. I don't know, I feel like it's more of a topper, so, and that's fine. I mean, it's cute, I love it. I'm fine with the look I was able to create. Let's do Black Matter, just because this stands out to me. Black Matter swatch is great. New Year's Eve Smoky Eye? I think so. Anyhow, so those are a couple of the shades. I couldn't find my makeup wipes. I usually just use a wash rag anyways, but I'm gonna wipe it on my pajama pants. Who cares? Yes, I'm wearing my hoodie and my pajama pants. That's how I live my life. So again, that was $35. This entire box retails, I did the math earlier, I wanna say $188 or $178, about $190, which I think is a great deal. I mean, it was $21. One of my friends asked me, she's like, do you think that BoxyCharm is like failing or whatever, or people are not interested as interested in it anymore? I don't know. They did, so they have the deluxe box, which I have, and now they have a premium box. So I'm like, I don't know, like, do I get the regular box, the deluxe box, the premium? Like, so that's becoming a little bit overwhelming for me, because like I seen somebody's premium box and they got like a Natasha Denona product. I probably, maybe in the future, will buy Natasha Denona, but not that I can foresee, to be honest, because they're expensive. So it's like, well, that's cool, because I've been subscribed for about 2 years, so I didn't get that, so it made me want the premium, but I already get the deluxe, so it's like, fuck, I don't know. They are becoming a bit overwhelming with that, I will say. I wouldn't say that they're failing, but maybe they are, and that's why they're adding so many different services to spruce up their box. I don't know. I'm gonna continue to use them, because again, even if it's stuff that I already have and or don't want, I can come up with some cool gifts or even stocking stuffers to use some of the products with. And it's always worth it. There's at least one product, like there's this Kypress right here. That's worth it for me. This is a $90 serum I got to test out for $21, if you want to look at it that way. One product I got to test out for $21, and this is 90 bucks. I'm not mad at that. I've been interested in Kristen Dominique's makeup. I got to test out her $35 palette for $21. I'm happy with this. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm really happy with this, and I am super jazzed on this. So these being my 3 favorite things, the other ones not so concerned with. That's 90, what do we say? I think I did that damn math wrong. 90 plus 35, oh, this is embarrassing. 90 plus 35 is 125, plus 18, fuck it, let's just say 150 bucks, because I don't know. $150 in products right now, right here, with 3 of the items for $21. That is a steal. I am okay with that. So every month, I'm not disappointed. So would I say that they're falling off? No, not for me anyways. And we did get coupons. I don't know if I'm allowed to give you all the coupon code. But so we got coupons. It is Dragon Beauty. Get full fantasy with 15% off your next purchase over $80 at visit Boxy Dragon, which is Nikita Dragon's brand. She has a couple items so far. Very cute little picture of her. Can I put it up here? I'm covering the code only because I don't know if I'm allowed to share it. I'm not gonna go purchase anything, so I wish I could, but I just, rules. And then with the Natasha Denona, you save 30% on a Natasha Denona Safari palette, Sunset palette, or eyeshadow palette. 28. Visit BoxyCharm ND. So that's pretty cool, because I'm pretty sure her palettes are over $100. I'm sorry. I'm not going to spend over $100 on any palette, probably ever, because, I mean, unless it drops 20 pounds, gets rid of my fine lines, some of my bad choices in life, buys me dinner, what else? It'd have to do a whole lot for me to spend over $100. Let's just say that. $100? I don't know. I found so many cool products for cheap, because I don't know, it's hard sometimes to spend all that money. When you have real bills, it's hard to just spend money on makeup. So it has to be worth it. Like even lately, I've been doing pretty good. I've been repurchasing just things that I already used. I did purchase a palette. Me and my sister are gonna be doing a get ready with us on my channel coming up soon, so I'm super jazzed for that. The palette that I purchased is a brand that I have been wanting to try, but it's a color scheme that I know my sister will like more, so I'm definitely just gonna give her the palette, but we'll test it out together. My sister's a hoot, she's beautiful, she's talented, so she's gonna showcase how she can do makeup better than me. Oh well. My sister is a makeup artist as well. She's a full cosmetologist, so, and she's been in the game a little bit longer than me, and she's just far superior at makeup, I would say. Yeah, I feel good about saying that. Anyhow, that was long-winded. I have to get to work. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, like this video if you want to, share it with a friend if you want to.